Hey, hello everyone! Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. And look at where I am. I am in the country where I was born. I'm in the country where my family still lives. And I am in the country that I am visiting right now. Well, between visiting friends and family, today I am going to this huge camping and outdoor shopping mall. It is called Obelink and it's all the way in the east of the Netherlands. I forgot to bring my camera stand, so I am just putting my camera down here in my car just to explain you a little bit more. Originally, I come from the east of the Netherlands. For those of you who have been to the Netherlands and have visited all the well-known tourist attractions in the west of the country, I suggest to you go take the train or a car and drive a little bit further to the east of the Netherlands. From the south to the north of that part, it is just ridiculously beautiful here. It is calm, it is inviting, it has beautiful nature, lovely little villages, bigger towns. You can take the train straight to the city where I am right now, Winterswijk, and it is really worth the drive. So just for next time, if ever you don't know where to go on your holiday, go to this eastern part of the Netherlands. And also you're near to the German border, which makes it easy to make just a little stop across the border and visit Germany. So just a little tip for your next holiday. So like I said, I'm in this very big camping and outdoor shopping center, and it has been here for so long. When I was a child, I remember going here. My very first sleeping bag comes from here, bought about 40 years ago, and I still have it, so quality, yes. I just want to look at what they have here, and maybe I will even buy something, because most of you know that in a couple of weeks I will be going off car camping in the south of France. I might find some useful things here, or if not, find some useful tips here. So I invite you to come with me. Let's go inside Obelink's outdoor center. Now, one of the things I might be interested in is some van heating system for the cold nights, but I'm not quite sure if that's possible. Another thing would be a foldable toilet. That would be handy. Well, the most interesting ones are electric ones. And that's interesting for me. Well, on paper, I like this one, but it's huge, it's very big. I don't have a lot of space. And this is the hottie. Already for the name, I would buy it. Or the MacGyver. Okay, let's find somewhere to pee. Well, this is all very comfortable, but way too big for in my camper. Okay, I think this is more for me. This is more what I need. Oh, I like this. That's a great idea. Oh, I love this. Oh my god, this looks so real. But it's plastic. Gorgeous. I cannot take anything big with me right now because I came here to the Netherlands by train. So I am going to order it online, everything that I want to buy. I saw a few things here that are interesting and I think I will put an order in, and I hope that I will receive it just in a couple of weeks before I go car camping. And there we are, I am back. Of course I did some shopping. I bought this kettle that I absolutely needed to have, the foldable kettle. I'm going to have so much fun with that one. And I bought myself a raincoat. Anyhow, it was a lovely afternoon. So, I'm off to my parents to a tea and a biscuit. It's about a half an hour, 3/4 of an hour drive to where my parents live. So it's not that far, but it's still a nice drive through this wonderful, beautiful countryside. So I'm happy with the things I bought today, and this all makes me look so forward to my car camping trips in a couple of weeks. I will keep you informed about everything. But for now, I say to you, thanks for watching and thank you for sticking with me. And we see each other in my next video. Au revoir et à bientôt.